Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do these simple but super cool Halloween nails. And so I am going to be showing you on a practice finger today. I just have a tip in there and I have it shaped to about the same shape I have mine. It's a little bit different, but it's a practice finger, so that's okay. So the first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance Jester. This one is from their fall collection. It's a nice berry red. I'm going to take my Light Elegance Oval number 4 brush. So this color we want to put from the cuticle and fade it down, and then we'll take black from the bottom, fade it up, then we'll go back with glitter, top, fade it down, and then we'll go in with the stamp going up with the black again. So you want to kind of go down, up, and that helps it get a nice fade. I'm just taking a little bit, concentrating it at the cuticle, working it around. And then you can start to fade it down. You just want to make sure it's very concentrated up at the top. And you want to make sure our cuticle area is nice and done. And then we're going to go ahead and cure it like this for 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Alright, now that that is cured, we're going to go in with black. I'm going to use Light Elegance Black Tie. This is just a solid black. And we're going to concentrate it at the tip and then fade it up. So now we have the black all cured, and we're going to go in with our glitter next. So I'm using Fire Breather from Light Elegance. This one again is from their fall collection. And this is the prettiest red sparkle I've ever seen. This has got to be my favorite from the collection. As you can see, I have it on my other hand here as well. These are my circus nails. I do have a video up on this. I will make sure to link it somewhere here if you want to go check those out. But we're going to use this glitter to fade. Now we have that all cured, and you can leave it just as is, as top coat, cure it, be done, like I have done on these nails here, or we can add some bats. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do next, is add some bats. I did use a stamping plate. So I have this one, it is just a holiday stamping plate. You can see there's Valentine's Day, St. Patrick, Easter, Halloween, Christmas, New Year's, all kinds of holidays. But I have bats right here, and I did not clean it off from when I did my nails. Whoops. Just going to go ahead and take some acetone, clean that off. And I'm going to use my Clear Jelly Big Bling Stamper. And I'm going to be using Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in Black to Black. So again, just a solid black. So there we go, we got the bats picked up. And I like to take a lint roller, and you're going to get off the excess. That way you're not stamping all that extra onto the nail by accident. And make sure to close your nail polish bottle. These will dry out. And then before I stamp the image onto the nail, I am going to cleanse the nail with alcohol. It does still have that tacky layer from the gel, so you do want to wipe that off before you stamp. And I am stamping straight onto this glitter. I don't smooth it out or anything, but personal preference. And then you want to line it up so that way you're still into the black. So it's kind of like the bats are fading up. And then you're going to clear off your stamper head on your lint roller, nice and clean. So what you're going to want to do is take acetone and a cleanup brush. This is the one I have. And you're going to clean up whatever is left over from the stamp. And then it did transfer pretty solid, but I do like to go in and darken some of the spots up. And so I'm going to take my acrylic paint. This one is just black. I do have a big bottle of the black because I do use black and white pretty often. I'm just putting a little dollop on a piece of foil here. And you can take a detailer brush, or I'm just going to take a really small dotting tool. So I got a big one on this side and a teeny tiny one on this side. Let me zoom in for this. And I'm just going to go over the bats, darken them up a little bit. And you see how that just sharpens up the bats so much more. So since this is acrylic paint, we don't have to cure it, but I am going to fully let this dry. You can tell when it's fully dry when it is matte. I'm sure you can see like the glossy parts, and then the parts that are matte, those are dry. We're going to wait till it's fully dry, and then we'll add top coat. So now that the bats are all dry, I'm going to go in with top coat. I will be using the Light Elegance Super Shiny Top Coat. And you do want to put, you don't want to do too thick of a layer, but you want to do thick enough that you don't smudge the art on it. Because it's not gel, so it's not secured in there. And you can see as you put top coat on it, it just all melts together. So we're going to go ahead and cure top coat for 2 minutes. So there you have it, easy Halloween nails. I've been getting all kinds of compliments on these nails, so make sure you try them out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!